Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Hi, Papu! Where are we right now?
We're at Las Trampas.
Las Trampas.
Las Trampas. Trail. Oh, it's nice. Hindi na lang ng view. Ano mo? On your back.
Woohoo! Sisimula pa lang.
Thank you.
Sa akin.
Simula pa lang, pagod na. This time, we're wearing our trek shoes. Pa-condition para sa Mount Rainier. Ganda oh. How are you doing, Bibi?
Awesome. Pagod. Pero yun ang ating lalakbayin. Nakikita niyo ba sila, guys?
Saan sila
para
banda?
Silang mga langgam. Naglalakad sa tuktok. Hindi pa yun yung pinatuktok. Sweet spot pa lang yun.
Ano yung tugtog mo? Hello, hello.
It's Zero by Imagine Dragons. Yun ang beat natin for today. Pump up. Para ganun tayo umakyat.
Malayo pa pero malayo na.
We're not even halfway to our destination.
Lawit dila. Ganda! Nakakawala ng hingal. Hindi rin. Ganda!
The higher you go, the better it gets.
Sabi nga nila, life is not a race.
It's a marathon.
It's a marathon. Take it slowly. Whew. Happy hiking, guys. Whee! I know. Yan sabi ko sa'yo.
Yan yung trail, di ba?
Oo, yan yung trail ata.
Diretso lang, diretso lang.
Ha?
Saka nagtitrain mo.
Las trampas.
Ako, duty lang.
Duty lang ang training. Ang ganda. Ganda mo, Lods.
Thank you. Kakaya naman.
Ayan, patag na. Whew. Ginhawa. Yeah. Yung mga kaibigan mo nakaharang sa daan. Baka ba yun? Tao?
Ayoko nga. Magsalubungin niya tayo. Ang laki.
May nagtitrail din na baka sa lubong namin. Bakit tayo tulad? Hey, Lods. Kaya tinanggalang ang kasi kanila ito. Eh, wag ka mag-post dyan, hindi kita pinipicturan. Ano po, lalampas na siya, buntis ata to. Ingat ha. Atra, there's some more trail. Ha? Andahan ka. Oo. O, doon tayo. Yan ganyan na.
Nasaan ang araw? Oh, ayun, ang araw nasa taas. Hindi ko makuha. Whew. Medyo pababa na tayo dito. Stones. To our right is San Francisco Bay. Ayun, malayo. Ayan, but you can see that, right? And then, dito sa atin, sa kabila ay, I don't know, another mountain. So, balak namin i-trek yung kabila next time. Woohoo! How's the experience, Papu?
Amazing!
Amazing? Awesome? Fabulous? Fantastic? Terrific? Ay, kapagod. And mag-ingat sa daan. Maraming mga bomba-bomba ng baka. Alright. Oh. Ano masabi mo?
Huh? Oh, this is real. So perfect. 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah, 10 out of 10. It's difficult. Yeah, it's nice. You can see the San Francisco there. You can see, I don't know what mountain is that. I think it's Mission Peak, I think. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah. You can see greens. You can see rocks, cows. There's a lot of stuff in here.
I came across a lot of cattle earlier.
It's a perfect hike. Like there's like a elevation, then you're gonna go down, another elevation, then you're gonna go down. This is nice.
Because it's also the perfect weather.
Cuesta Trail. So there's another
Cuesta?
trail down here. Probably this one is a new trail. Cuesta Trail. If you would like to go down right away.
No, we don't do that.
This one we're gonna go with the Rocky Ridge. We're just gonna continue with the Rocky Ridge.
We continue to the loop.
Yay! It's nice. Fresh air and you know the feeling of like freedom. It's the sun's kind of up high, but we barely feel the heat of the sun because the wind is cold.
Yeah.
It's so nice. I can't explain. It's so nice.
Just put some sunblock because it's still heat.
Yeah.
Sun rays. Pero you don't feel the heat. Naka-jacket pa rin.
Imagine when I opened the app, the old trail, I was surprised when I opened it. It's like 500 trails nearby San Jose. What?
500 trails.
500 trails. Dude.
Let's go.
Wow.
So we only had, this is our second trail here. And so we still have like 498 trails to go. No rush. We're staying in San Jose.
The name of this trail is Rocky Ridge Trail. It's a moderate hike, and I think it overlaps with another trail. It's the Trampas Trail or whatever. Probably that's the name.
Maybe the other trail is to our left is the Trampas.
Yeah, because there's another trail over there. The mountains on your left side. Aside from that big mountain there's like a mountain here. It has a trail as well. When we climb up, there's another trail in there.
Yeah.
It's pretty much steep as well. There's kind of elevation, same as much as here. But yeah, probably we're gonna try that the next time. But yeah, it's so nice. You can see the houses down there, lots of trees. And then you can see two more cows in there.
Lots of cattle.
Yeah. There's a lot over there, like a herd of cattle. But they're nice. As long as you don't wear red.
Don't wear red.
Fine, I think.
Don't make yourself like a threat to them.
Yeah.
Walk slowly with caution.
Be respectful. Just go out of your way if they're like walking as well. Because on our way up here, there's like one mother cow.
Pregnant cow.
There's a pregnant cow. I thought it ate like something big.
She ate another cattle.
That guy's a big cow. She was like walking down the road, down the trail. And we're like, yeah, we just go up on the side just to give like, you know, give way for her, you know.
Yeah.
Like that, like animals and humans, you know, just
Respect each other.
yeah, show respect to each other, you know.
All right, so we just continue to our trail here until we reach the I don't know if there's another peak, but we're supposed to be going down now.
We're actually on the downside already.
Okay.
Once we reach on the farther end, we're just gonna go on the loop towards on to where we started.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're there.
It's pretty far, huh?
Yeah. But our place is, you know, it's like a straight one. No inclination, just pretty much, no, straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. See ya.
See you on our next adventure. We'll see where it is. We'll find out. Puso.
Na 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 na. Favorite yarn. Yan lagi yung pinapanood sa TikTok eh. Look at that. Nakalampas tayo. We just passed it. So, let's go. What's a trampa? Oh, watery or something. I don't know. Canal. Kaya siguro pabalik yung iba.
Oo. Ayoko mag-loop.
Naakyat na nila to dati. Ay, alam ko na yan. Muddy na naman. It's fine. It's good. Ba't ako nandito?
There will be no loop next time. So let's see. Just basically like up. Ridge View Trail. Elderberry Trail. Nakailan trail tayo? Rocky Ridge Loop.
Tatlo na. Mahal.
Oh.
May shoelace.
Oh, welcome to. Ay, ay.
Uy, bait naman yan. Sige, higpitan mo. Ipasok mo yung ano, yung foamy. Yan. I-double tie mo na nga. Kanina pa ako double ribbon. Yeah.
Double knot. Ah! Hindi kayang double knot.
Okay, okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Meron tayo para sa trail eh. Pag nagtitrail ka, parang hindi siya ano.
Almost there?
Yeah. I think 10-15 more minutes.
My knees are screaming. I guess we'll take a rest from hiking for this week. We had 2 already. back to parks, and then next week again. Sweaty. Kita na natin yung parking. Woohoo. My goodness. We finished the loop.
What a success.
Pagod yarn.